Hello children, today we will discuss about 4th standard SST Essay 1 model question paper with answer. Let's discuss the first main question. The first main is choose the correct options from the bracket. What you have to do here, there are options in the bracket. You have to choose the right options and fill in the blanks. Let's start. Question number 1. The dash is the head of the state. Which is the right answer? Who is the head of the state, children? Governor. Is it? You have to mark here and write the option here. Second question. The famous Gir forest is situated in the state of Gujarat. Second. Third. India's coastal line stretches up to dash kilometer, children. 7,516.6 kilometer. Fourth question. Dash and dash are the rivers which flow westwards. Which are the rivers or flows westward or west direction? Narmada and Tapi. Narmada and Tapi. Fourth. Narmada and Tapi. Fifth question. The Deccan Trap region has dash soil. Which soil? Black soil. Number 5. Black soil. The Indira Gandhi canal ends near dash. Jaisalmer. Sixth one. The Brahmaputra basin covers the states of Assam and Tripura. Seventh. Next, eighth. Dash is the main cottage industry of Sikkim. Weaving. Weaving is the main cottage industry of Sikkim. Ninth one. The Greater Himalayas are also known as Himadri. 10th one. Autumnal equinox occurs on 23rd September. 23rd September. I will show once. Will show all the questions once. Next, the main question number second. These statements are true. If it is true, you have to write it in the bracket T. If it is false, you have to write it in the bracket F. Okay. First question. Longitudes run from north to south. True. Second question. The mantle of the earth is very hot and it is in a molten state. False. Third question. Bhimbekta is famous for cave paintings. True. Fourth question. The Somanatha temple is a famous temple in Odisha. False. Fifth question. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Army. True. Next we will third main. Match the columns A, B. First I will read A column. Mahanadi, Bhopal, Tawang, Faridabad, Union Government. Column B, musical form, Haryana, Central Government, Arunachal Pradesh, Eastern Coastal Plain. Let's match. First one is Mahanadi. Mahanadi is Eastern Coastal Plain. Bhopal. Bhopal is a musical form. Next, Tawang, Haryana. Faridabad, Arunachal Pradesh. Union Government, Central Government. Okay. Mahanadi, Eastern Coastal Plain. Bhopal, musical form. Tawang, Haryana. Faridabad, Mahanadi, Eastern Coastal Plain. Bhopal, musical form. Tawang, Haryana. Faridabad, Haryana. Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. Union Government, Central Government. Mahanadi, Eastern Coastal Plain. Bhopal, musical form. Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. Faridabad, Haryana. Union Government, Central Government. Answer these questions. Here I given 12 questions, but you have to attend any 10. Fourth main, answer these questions. Describe the climate of the northern mountains. Answer. The greater Himalayas get heavy snowfall during winter. They remain very cold throughout the year. The middle Himalayas have a summer temperature of around 17 degrees Celsius. The outer Himalayas are not very cold, but they get heavy rainfall during monsoon. Second question. What are landforms? Answer. The different physical features. The different physical features of the Earth's surface, such as mountains, hills, plateaus, etc., are the landforms. Distinguish between globe and map. Whenever you are writing distinguish or differentiate or comparison question, you have to do one thing. Here I don't have much place, that's what I written like this heading, globe and map. You have to do one thing. In the first line or in the beginning line, you have to write globe, here map. The beginning sentence you should start from the very next line. Okay, I write it in this way. Globe. A globe is spherical representing shape of the earth. A globe is spherical representing shape of the earth. With the help of globe, we locate various continents and the major seas and oceans of the world. Globe represents the entire earth in less detail. Map. A map is drawn on a flat surface. It does not show the correct shape of the earth. A map can represent either the whole or a part of the world in more detail. Fourth question. Why is the length of the day and night equal on 21st March? Answer. The length of the day and night is equal on 21st March because the rays of the sun fall directly on the equator. Question number 5th. Which mountain ranges form the northern mountains in India? The northern mountains include the Himalayas, the Karakoram, and the northeastern mountain ranges. Name 3 tourist places in Uttar Pradesh. Taj Mahal, Fatehpur Sikri, Akbar's Tomb. These are the 3 tourist places in Uttar Pradesh. 7th, how do people irrigate their lands in Rajasthan? People use water from wells and tanks to irrigate their lands. Some parts of the Rajasthan are irrigated by Indira Gandhi Canal. It is one of the biggest canal projects in India. It starts from the river Satluj and ends near Jaisalmer. 8th question. List some places of interest in Tamil Nadu. Answer. Mahabalipuram, Kanchipuram, Tanjavur, Tiruchinappalli, Kodaikanal, Rameshwaram, Kanyakumari, and Ooty. These are the places of interest in Tamil Nadu. 9th question. What is a bill? How does it become a law? Answer. A bill is a proposed law. It is a plan for a new law. A bill can become a law only if it is passed by both the houses, means Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, both the houses of the parliament, and signed by the President of India. 10th question. How are the members of the Rajya Sabha elected? Rajya Sabha has 250 members. Among them, 238 are elected by the members of the state legislative assemblies and 12 members are nominated by the President of India. 11th question. Which place in Madhya Pradesh has diamond mines? Madhya Pradesh has diamond mines at Panna. 12th question. Write the names of the states which share their boundaries with Rajasthan. Answer: Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. Fifth main, picture study. See children. See here, just observe the picture. If I given this picture for a picture study for essay 1, what you have to do? First you have to identify the person. First question, identify the person in the picture. Who is he? Yaravaru? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Second question, he was the first Prime Minister or President or Governor of India? Answer is Prime Minister. Is it children? He was the first Prime Minister of our country, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Next main, sixth main, draw a neat labeled diagram of structure of the earth showing the 3 layers. What you have to do here? What you have to draw here? How you have to draw here? See here. What you have to do? Take one bangle. With the help of bangle, you have to draw one neat circle. Afterwards, first you will label which is the first layer, crust, second layer, mantle, third layer, core. Is it? Next, about structure of the earth, you should write it in brief explanation. Okay, and you have to label with the pencil itself, and you have to color this diagram or picture with color pencil. Please don't use sketch pens. Just I will show once. Choose the correct options from the bracket, 10 marks. Second main, true or false statements. Third main, match the columns. Fourth main, answer these questions. Whenever you are writing the answer in the SST subject, you have to write the answer in a point-wise manner. Means first point, second point, third point, like this you have to write. You should write, otherwise you won't get the good marks. Simply I am showing the answers once. Here picture study will come. Here just I shown no. Last one, diagram. Just I shown you that diagram. Thank you.